1. Use the power of compounding. Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. He said he who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays it. How to apply it? Invest early in stocks, real estate, or index funds. Reinvest your earnings to grow your wealth exponentially. Avoid bad debt that works against you, like high-interest loans. 2. Think differently and innovate. Einstein said, "We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them." How to apply it? Find unique business ideas or untapped markets. Leverage AI, automation, and new technologies to stay ahead. Don't follow the crowd. Innovate and think creatively. 3. Focus on value, not just money. Einstein believed success comes from adding value. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. How to apply it? Build a business or career that solves real problems. Create products, services, or content that people genuinely need. The more value you provide, the richer you will become. 4. Keep learning and stay curious. Einstein emphasized lifelong learning. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. How to apply it? Learn high-income skills, investing, coding, marketing, sales, etc. Read books about wealth, mindset, and personal growth. Stay updated with new financial trends and investment opportunities. 5. Take calculated risks. Einstein said, "A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new." How to apply it? Start a side hustle, invest in assets, or launch a business. Don't fear failure. Use mistakes as learning experiences. Wealth comes from smart, calculated risks, not playing it safe. 6. Master time and productivity. Einstein valued deep focus. The monotony and solitude of a quiet life stimulates a creative mind. How to apply it? Avoid distractions and focus on productive, money-making tasks. Use AI tools and automation to save time. Create passive income streams to free up your time. 7. Stay resilient and never give up. Einstein believed perseverance leads to success. You never fail until you stop trying. How to apply it? Keep going even if you face failures and setbacks. Adapt to changes in the market, economy, and technology. Long-term persistence is a secret to financial success. Final Einstein-inspired wealth formula. Think differently. Invest early. Provide value. Keep learning. Stay patient and persistent. Follow these principles, and financial success will follow. What's your first step toward wealth?